And we'll still keep the time to 2 minutes, and we go to Pakistan. Dr. Khalid Maqbool, Minister of Federal Education, Professional Training of Pakistan.
Very much for giving me this opportunity to express my views, share my views with you. Excellency, first of all, I would like to thank the Permanent Mission of China and Zambia for organizing this meeting. Today, as we stand at the intersection of technology and progress, artificial intelligence, as we all discuss, is a great opportunity and as well as a great challenge for all of us. As we all see, artificial intelligence will change our life beyond our imagination. Some of the IT experts warn us that don't summon a power you can't control. But we all know the potential and the problems related to the artificial intelligence. Excellency, the accelerating development of artificial intelligence threatens to concentrate powers and wealth on a global scale, with the geopolitical and geoeconomical implications. In order to ensure that the benefit of artificial intelligence are equitably distributed, we must shape an international artificial intelligence architecture that is inclusive, agile, and effective. An artificial architecture which promotes capacity building, technology transfer, and financing for the developing countries. It is for this very reason that Pakistan would proud to support China and China's initiative to table a General Assembly's resolution on enhancing the international cooperation for the capacity building of artificial intelligence. Excellency, I would like to discuss and highlight four main factors that hampering the ability of developing country to harness the potential of artificial intelligence. First of all, the basic digital infrastructure. Developing country will not be able to develop artificial intelligence capability without securing reliable electricity, fiber optics cables, and internet connectivity. Second, the capacity building. The developing country require a minimum baseline of the socio-economical capacity, socio-technical capacity in order to harness the power of AI. Third, the access to the affordable compute. This remains a crucial for a training capability. AI models and one of the biggest barriers to enter in the field of AI for companies from the global south. Lastly, none of these above issues can be addressed without the access to the finance and investment. Excellency, we must scale up the international cooperation to address the above-mentioned challenges. Bilaterally, Pakistan is already in the process of cooperating with the friendly countries on AI. With China, we are introducing AI-based education in schools. Internationally, we must pursue the recommendation of the Secretary General's High-Level Advisory Board on AI for the establishment of global network of United Nations affiliated capacity development centers. Such a global network would make compute data available across the multiple centers to researchers as well as to promote fellowship program for the talented individual to spend time in academic institutions or technological companies. Moreover, this network should be supported by an AI fund, which would help in creating shared compute infrastructure and provide funding for the individuals from developing countries to pursue training in AI. Excellencies, the Global Digital Compact adopt at the Summit of the Future contain important initiatives for AI governance, such as an international scientific panel on AI and an annual global dialogue on AI governance. However, in order for these initiatives to be successful, we must enhance international cooperation on the capacity building for developing countries. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.